Hi, this is Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. Bathroom remodeling trends that will increase your loft's value. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or we will arrange for a private preview upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. Kitchens and bathrooms are some of the most important things in a home, whether you're living there or whether you want to sell your property to get the most money for it. The only things that are as important as kitchens and bathrooms would be the location, neighborhood, and the style type of building that it is. And the natural light is also important. So kitchens and bathrooms are right up there in the top 5 most important aspects of a property, and including the enjoyability and the value of the property. So painting is probably the first of all, cleaning, decluttering, and fixing up broken things is the cheapest thing you can do to increase the value of your home. Painting is the cheapest home improvement you could do, that pays for itself and gives you a good return on your investment on the cost of painting. And then right after that is kitchens and bathrooms. So as far as doing some real work on the home, fixing up the kitchen and bath. So, and some people spend a lot of time in the bathroom. I don't spend too much time in the bathroom, but some people do. I spend more time in the kitchen. But a lot of people are bathroom people, especially the lovely ladies who like to, spend some time doing fun things like makeup and makeovers and relaxing in the tub and, doing things, skincare and things like that. So creating a beautiful bathroom, it's hard to go wrong as long as you do it correctly. So take a look at the LA Loft blog, www.laloftblog.com. And if you don't see this right here front and center, then just go here and search for bathroom remodeling, and then it'll come up, and then click on the title and that'll pull up the article. And it's got some great information here: freestanding bathtubs, his and her sinks, accent wall, heated bathroom floors, update your lighting. In California you probably don't need, or Southern California you don't need heated floors, but in Northern California and cold environments the heated floors would be a big benefit. Greenery. And then if you don't know of who can help you with your bathroom remodel, you can get a free list of home improvement remodel contractors by filling out this short form right here. And thanks for taking a look. Thanks for joining us on this discussion about bathroom remodeling for lofts. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. As I mentioned earlier, a property information packet is available on any loft, condo, or house, or private preview is available upon request. Call 213-880-9910 now. Thanks for joining me, and you take care. Bye-bye.